An ultra-chic life in Chicago is calling out your name. Introducing the Flats East-West, a stunning abode in Chicago, which is sure to meet all your expectations and even beyond. Nestled in S Wabash Ave, this stellar haven offers a selection of shared apartments and studios to opt from. Come home to a snug bed, a comfy couch, a stylish coffee table, and a dedicated desk and chair, all of which are sure to upgrade your stay to the zenith of perfection. Stay in the best shape with the indoor basketball court and fitness center. Ace your academic and professional life with the modern and well-equipped computer labs and conference rooms. Plus, unwind and socialize with fellow pals in the resident lounge. But the absolute icing on the cake is the inclusion of utility bills, saving you a huge chunk of money. And when it's time to hit the books, the School of the Art Institute of Chicago and the Chicago School of Professional Psychology are both nearby. With various restaurants, bars, cafes, and clubs close by, you're literally in the middle of all the action. On weekends, enjoy a delectable meal at Red Barrel Restaurant or Los Langostinos Restaurant and enjoy a chilled cocktail at the Junction Pub or O'Neill's on Wells. Or you could also take a stroll, cycle, or hop on a bus to explore the captivating charm of Chicago. So, what's holding you back? Book your spot now at amberstudent.com.